Here's how to use a PS5 controller on your PC or laptop in Windows 11. The method should also work in Windows 10 as well. Let's get started. There are two ways to connect the controller. We'll start with the wired method, so feel free to skip ahead with the chapters for the wireless section. Connecting using the wire is very simple. Use a USB cable to connect the controller to your PC. Depending on the ports on your PC or laptop, you can use either the rectangular USB-A ports or the smaller USB-C ports. Once connected, press the PlayStation button on the controller. This controller should now work, and you can check in each game you play to ensure the controls are set for it. Remember that games will likely have different levels of support for controllers. Apps like Steam should automatically recognize the controller, and it will show in Steam's controller settings to customize. If you wanted to connect the controller wirelessly, this can be done using Bluetooth. Your laptop should have this built in, and some PCs will have Bluetooth on the motherboard, but you might need a separate Bluetooth adapter if this is not the case. You might also want to temporarily disconnect your PS5 from power to avoid it being powered on by the controller. To connect using Bluetooth, check it is turned on first in the Windows settings. Click on Bluetooth and Devices from the menu on the left, then turn on the Bluetooth toggle switch. Click on Add Device next, then click on Bluetooth. Now on your controller, check it has got enough battery charge, and then hold the Create button and the PlayStation button for a few seconds. The Create button is the one in the top left to the right of the D-pad. The controller light should start flashing to indicate it's in pairing mode, and then it should appear on the list of devices on your PC. Click on it here. It should be called DualSense Wireless Controller. Now wait for it to connect and then click on Done. It should now be connected wirelessly, and you can try it out in games or check in apps like Steam to change settings for it. You can remove it in the future from the Bluetooth settings in Windows. Again, I'd recommend checking in each game's control settings to check that it's set to the controller, and then you can customize the controls further. If either of the methods didn't work, I'd recommend trying a different cable, or check that your Bluetooth antenna is connected if you need one. You could also try restarting both the controller and your PC. That's how to use a PS5 controller on your PC or laptop in Windows 11. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.